Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Mitsubishi Triton GLX Plus, stock reference number 5686. This shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Bonnet has no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has a Aeroklas canopy with all bolts and brackets. We have the left hand taillight, bumper cover, Hayman Reese tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior, auto type console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.